day. It's 10:10. Ben has just come and took the kids out. He's taking them bowling. I'm gonna try and reset the house. I've got a load of washing to put away. There's more upstairs, so I'm gonna go and have a little tidy in the kids' bedrooms while they're not here and declutter stuff that they don't need but they think they need. Yeah, that's the plan. So that is what I'm gonna go and do. The cats are all relaxing. Gary, hey boy. Oh, you're a good boy. And Binksy is humping a cushion. Nana, what doing? What doing? Binksy, stop humping my new cushion, please. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna go and get done. Yeah. My watch is going to show you or not? No, it's playing music. It is 3. The kids got back at like 12, and Ben brought them back with some McDonald's. Whilst they were out, I did some tidying. Obviously this is Fox's bedroom, but Mika is sleeping in here for the moment because of the mega bed. So I did a tidy in here. Cleaned Aria's room. So hers is done, nice and tidy. Me and Ari share a wardrobe because it's massive. So that's all mine, and then that's all hers. And then I started in here, but I literally only had like, I think they left at like 10 o'clock and they got back at like 11:45. So I didn't have a long time. I started trying to sort out my desk. Done a little bit, but not loads. Got some bits there to put away. I'm now just prepping some veggies for the week. I want to try and eat more plant-based. I really want to try and do less meat. So I'm going to go back and watch my week of being vegetarian video to get inspiration for foods that I want to eat. Ari doesn't eat a lot of meat anyway. Ooh, nearly fell over then. Fox and Mika. Fox doesn't eat a lot. Mika eats probably the most out of all of us. So we've done our meal plan, but I'm just gonna try and adapt and do less meat. We'll see. I've had to move some stuff into the hallway. Had to move my. Is that gonna work? No, that one. I had to move my pampas grass because the cats kept trying to knock it over. And then I've got some plants up here. This is to go upstairs. Shoes need putting away. The table's a little bit of a mess from where they had their lunch. And then the kids are in here watching TV. Doing her diamond painting while she has a wrap pizza. Foxy decided he didn't want a wrap pizza, so I had to make him a pizza base, just like with flour and yogurt. Ham! Blow it. You gonna eat it? Oh. Silly sod. And Mika, what have you got?
Bacon and lentil soup.
Bacon and lentil soup. You eat it then. Good? Yeah. Ari! Look, you've just thrown all your crap on the floor. She shouldn't really be doing this while she's eating. But I literally just saw you doing some, Missy. So yeah, this is her diamond painting. I've got one as well. I might start it tonight.
I've done one.
You've done yours, haven't you? Tomorrow.
Ham.
Yeah, ham. Eat your ham then. Tomorrow. Feliz Navidad. Gary.
Mama, let's take
Just taking my arm. Yeah, tomorrow, the 1st of January. It's New Year's Eve today, isn't it?
Yes.
Is anyone doing any New Year's resolutions?
I say woke up at midnight on New Year's Eve and I saw some people walking around the street.
Probably. What did you once shout? In 2016, what did you shout at New Year, Mika? Instead of saying bye to 2016, what did you shout?
Die.
I'll see if I can find the video. It's so funny. Mika, what do you say to 2016? What do you say? Die?
Yeah.
You want 2016 to die? That's not very nice, is it? Yeah, so thank you. We're going to watch, when he goes to bed, we're going to watch some more of Avatar.
I want that.
No, Bubs.
Probably scary for you.
I got some ear cuffs off Etsy. Look, this one's really cute, a little rose gold. And then I got, I think it was a pack of 2 for $6.
We don't eat bits.
They're really pretty.
Mum,
You can eat the burnt bits, that's okay, it won't hurt you, it's just cheese.
And this one. I don't eat that.
Okay, and then tomorrow...
Hi.
Hi! My mum's coming round early because I've got to go and have my ultrasound for the investigation for my gallstones. So yeah, mum's getting here at like 8:30, I think. I need to leave at 9:10. Appointment's at 9:30. And then I think I know what we're going to do with Granny Nana for the rest of the day. I've got some chicken breasts out so we can make some lunch.
Yeah. And I want this instead.
Mika just wants bacon and lentil soup.
I love it.
It's your favourite, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to try and get this boy to eat. See your pizza, Foxy. It looks so good.
Oh, that's disgusting.
That looks so good.
Like a sauce.
That is a big sauce.
It's just press a button.
You're just licking the sauce.
I lick the bit off.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Foxy. So yeah, I'm going to get him to eat and then I'm going to... Fox! And I'm going to get him to bed. It's only 20 to 5, so I've got to...
And eat my pizza.
And eat your pizza. Stop licking the sauce. And I'm going to have my dinner later because I'm not allowed to eat tomorrow morning for 6 hours beforehand and the appointment's at 9:30 in the morning, so I'm not allowed to eat. I'm allowed to have coffee up until like 2 hours before, I think. I'm not really sure, I need to reread the letter, but I want to have my dinner as late as possible tonight to keep me full. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. It's 8 o'clock and me and the girls have just watched more of Avatar. We've got about an hour left, but we're all knackered. So they're now going to go to bed. I'm going to edit and then just watch Netflix, I think, in bed. So yeah, hope you all have a lovely New Year's. You're going to see this on the 1st anyway, so Happy New Year. Let's hope 2023 is a better year, because 2022 can eat my farts. Love you, bye.